Major Division. Our first part of Daldalaya. Jersey number 8, Francisco Rodriguez, Galicia, Domingo, and Tomas. Let's go with Katakulingan. Jersey number 35, Rinda. Limos number 20, Garcia. Guillermo and Roseres. Yes, sir. Once again, people of San Clemente, let's get ready to rumble.
First position ng mga Daldalaya. Bola pupunta sa Katakulingan. Sabret. Ortegas for Rodriguez. First position ng Guillermo. Score number 25, crash cut out. Out of bounds, ball ang pupunta sa Daldalaya.
Tulungan mo siya kumain, Ken. Oh. Tulungan mo siya kumain. Hawakan mo to. Okay.
After this game, may susunod pa po tayo. Domingo for training. Too strong, too attempt. And rebound by Nathaniel. Nagkakaroon bola, bola babalik sa Daldalaya.
Skip mo natin Ken. Noah. Yes, yours.
Francisco pass to Rodriguez. Rodriguez press attack. Ayun na, put pa kaya pa Galicia. Ayun na, rebound pa number 7. Recovered by Domingo, time to shoot. Time to shoot. May whistle po tayo. Binafawag ko na yan. Foul sa particular jersey number 10. Number 8. On contact. First personal foul, the first team foul. First whistle is ending out for Galicia. Second free throw for Galicia. Zero out of 2, rebound by Rosales, pass to number 69. Yan na si Garcia. Garcia on the line to Rosales. Yung bata po sa gilid, pakita bilang po. Maraming salamat po. Garcia, no, rebound by Daldalaya. Rodriguez to Francisco. 2 points on Francisco. Ulitin ko po yung bata po sa gilid, pakikuha na po. Maraming salamat po. Baka manisgrasya po. Galicia, pass to Rodriguez. Ayan na si Rodriguez, post to post drive. 2 points on Rodriguez. Score natin 4-0 in favor of Daldalaya. Guillermo, stepping in the break. Pass to the corner number 25. Full score 2 and now. Big rebound by Galicia. Galicia pass to Domingo. Na kay Domingo ang pala. Rodriguez. Galicia. Ang Lebron ng Daldalayap. Garcia, signaling his teammate. Garcia inside pass to Vivos. Blocked by Rodriguez, free ball. 13 seconds to shoot. Happy viewing kay Jeremy Ordinario. Garcia at kay Uncle Manny. Garcia. Inside pass to Rinzoa. Wendell Rinzoa, even by Rodriguez, long pass to Francisco. Recovered by Vivos. Garcia. Garcia on the line. Second by Domingo. Out of bounds. Substitution. Papalitan si Tomas. Angel Sola. Francisco. Francisco to Angel Sola. Wala. Big rebound by Rodriguez. Spins no. 37 to 7. 12 to shoot. Tercera. Push long rebound by Rodriguez. Easy 2 points for Rodriguez. Angel pa ang score. Garcia. Pass to Igor. Traveling violation. Bola papalit sa nakaputi. Happy viewing kay Pupil. Domingo, inside pass to Galicia. 2 points by Galicia. Garcia. 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Garcia to Lucero. You saw it. Vivos, 10 to shoot. Blocked by Rodriguez. Ball pick up by Gore. And now 3-1 by Rodriguez. Long pass to Francisco. 2 points on Sola. Score natin 12 to nothing naman. The shot. Another steal by Galicia. Pass to Rodriguez. And now si Rodriguez goes to most drive. 2 points on Rodriguez. Bagyang lumayo na po ang Daldalayap. With 3 minutes and 28 seconds in the first quarter, Vivos press to attack. Yes sir, 2 points on Vivos. Francisco. Francisco ang bola. Francisco on the line, pass to Galicia na. Bitawan ng bola, ball pick up by Rodriguez. Goes to goal drive. One shot by Rodriguez. Shot. Left behind by Domingo inside pass to Rodriguez. And then naman si Rodriguez. 2 points on Daldalayap. Rodriguez.
Give to Tintin.
Garcia. Signaling his teammate. Garcia to number 20, Vivos. Team ball, 13 seconds to shoot, substitution. Rodriguez. And Francisco. Guillermo. Garcia, checking in by Cavite, Rincor, Banyaga, and number 9, Orteas. 13 seconds to shoot. Vivos. 2 points on Vivos. Two minutes and 15 seconds, starting first quarter. Out of bounds, bola pabalik sa Kartabudinan.
No!
Rincon. Patricia with a foul for that. Foul on jersey number 20, jersey number 7. First personal foul, first team foul. 17 seconds to shoot.
Bakit mo kayo marami?
Rincon, number 7, inside pass to Rincon, number 25. And now the ibang foul, Alicia to Domingo. Banyaga. Steal by the Roman. And nothing already close to his drive. And now Pulang Payo side. Patricia with the foul, dominant. Calls Patron jersey number 24. Illegal is your hand. Zabarev. Domingo papalitan number 15. And number 5, Patricia. Checking in by Ursula. Number 11. Number 11, shadowed by Kawili, and after Kawili, in and out, rebound again by Kawili, 2 points on Kawili. 10 na lang yan, 18-8. 1 minute and 12 seconds. Number 9, Otas, back to number 11. Number 13, wala ka, Banyaga, pag-rebound pa, katagutingan, Kawili. Patricia with the foul, comment. Foul on jersey number 15, illegal is of hand, substitution. Rincon for Fernando. First personal foul, 13 fouls. Seconds. Otas with a steal, pass to Banyaga. And now try number 11, big rebound by Fernando. 20 seconds. Because after the break, inside pass to Fernando. Steal by number 13. Out of bounds. 33 seconds. Time out, katagutingan. Time check, 33 seconds. Back to the playing court. 33 seconds before end of the first quarter. Kawili to Dimos. Rincon number 7. Robbery violation. 25 seconds. Tersola spins. Ingot pass. Kanya gaya na pinapapala ng 15. 12 seconds. 5. Foul jersey number 13, pushing foul. 3 shots for Luis Suarez.